All right, so next we can do the system meters. So if you are going to be setting up a meter that you'll manually be managing on site, this is where that would happen. So you can create a meter, put all this detail in, right? So location, description, max daily use, how are you tracking? And then also, again, if somebody needs to be notified, you can set that up. I've got it as UPMC Hanover Hospital, ST108 steam and sterilizer, location, max daily use is 1,000 gallons. From there, if you want to track your system meters in a summary, then you can also do that. Heck, let's show a year. Let's get crazy. So let's generate that report, and over a year period, each month that has been tracked, it'll show you the summarization over that period of time. And again, you can share that PDF too.